Hello, my friends. If you've been searching for a way to manifest wealth, to bring abundance into your life, there's something simple and powerful you can do right now, today. Manifestation isn't about working hard or forcing things to happen. It's about understanding the power within you. Everything you desire already exists in your mind, and the only thing that stands between you and your desires is your ability to connect with that reality. Now, let's get to the heart of this secret. There's an incredible power in the way you pray. Yes, I said pray. I'm not talking about religious prayer or rituals, but a deep, conscious act of connecting with your higher self, your true potential. In this moment, right now, you have the ability to tap into that potential with just 10 seconds of focused thought. I know it sounds simple, but simplicity is often where the most profound truths lie. Take a moment and close your eyes. Focus on your breath. Feel your heartbeat. In those 10 seconds, you are going to visualize what you want as if it has already happened. It's that simple. You don't need to beg or plead for your desires. No, you must affirm them as already being a part of your life. Imagine the feeling of wealth flowing freely to you, and feel it in your body. Don't think about the how, the when, or the why. Just know that it's done. Believe that it is already yours. Now, the key here is belief. In the moments after your 10-second prayer, you must hold on to the feeling of wealth, success, and abundance. It's not about thinking about it, it's about feeling it. Feel it as deeply as you can, because it's the feeling that aligns you with the vibration of abundance. The universe works with energy, and when you align your energy with what you desire, things start to shift. It's easy to get caught up in doubt. I understand that. We all do. But never forget that doubt only reinforces a belief that you're separate from your desires. Let go of that. Trust the process. Trust that what you've visualized is already on its way to you. Even if you don't see immediate results, trust in the unseen forces working on your behalf. The trick is to stay in that feeling. Don't let your old habits or negative thoughts pull you back into the feeling of lack or scarcity. Those are just temporary distractions. Every time you catch yourself in that state, return to the feeling of abundance. You can't focus on lack and abundance at the same time. You have to choose. And when you choose abundance, you start seeing it show up in your life. Let's talk about this feeling a little more. Imagine that you have already received the millions you've asked for. Visualize what it looks like, how it feels. Maybe you're receiving a check, seeing money flowing into your account, or simply feeling that sense of financial freedom. Picture the joy, the relief, the comfort that comes with it. In this moment, when you hold that image in your mind, you are creating a new reality. Not in the future, but right now. I know many of you may be skeptical, and that's perfectly okay. But think about it this way, we live in a world where your thoughts shape your reality. If your thoughts are always focused on what you don't have, you're reinforcing that reality. However, when you choose to focus on the abundant life you already have and the one you are creating, you align yourself with the very forces that bring wealth and success. This is where most people get it wrong. They think manifestation is about trying harder or wishing for things with all their might. But that's not it. Manifestation is about knowing. It's about understanding that the world around you is a reflection of your inner beliefs. If you believe you are worthy of abundance, it will show up in your life. If you feel that money is something you can easily attract, it will come to you. But, and here's the important part, you must let go of any fear of lack. You can't have one foot in abundance and one foot in scarcity. The moment you hold on to a fear of not having enough, you push away your desires. It's the law of attraction in action. If you focus on lack, you will attract more lack. But if you focus on abundance, even if it's only in your imagination at first, you are training your mind to see it as already real. Now, let's break this down further. I want you to recall that your subconscious mind is the key to everything. Your subconscious mind is where all your beliefs, thoughts, and habits reside. If you've been programmed to believe that money is hard to come by, that wealth is reserved for others, or that you have to struggle to achieve success, then your subconscious is running the show. But the good news is, you can change that. When you perform this 10-second prayer, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind. You are telling it, this is who I am. I am abundant. I am wealthy. You are planting a new belief deep within your subconscious, and from there, your outer world will begin to reflect those beliefs. The key is to be consistent. Just like you would water a plant, you must nourish your new beliefs by continuously focusing on them and allowing them to grow. Don't expect overnight results. Just like any seed takes time to sprout, so too does your manifestation. But when you trust the process and remain patient, you'll start noticing the subtle signs that abundance is on its way. Maybe it's a new opportunity, a chance meeting, or an unexpected check in the mail. The universe is always responding to your inner world. The more you feel rich, the more richness will flow into your life. If you ever find yourself doubting, come back to the feeling. Recall that your thoughts are the soil in which your desires are planted. If you keep your thoughts rooted in abundance, that is what will grow. Don't let negative thoughts uproot your manifestation. Guard your mind, guard your feelings, and protect that seed of abundance you've planted. It's also important to stay in a state of gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful feelings you can have. It's an acknowledgement of what you already have, and it signals to the universe that you are ready for more. You can't be thankful and fearful at the same time. Gratitude aligns you with abundance and opens the door for more blessings to come your way. When you take these 10 seconds to pray, you're not asking for anything. You're claiming what is already yours. You're simply aligning your thoughts, your feelings, and your beliefs with the truth of your desires. And when you do this consistently, the results will speak for themselves. Wealth will begin to flow into your life effortlessly, and your relationship with money will transform completely. It's not about the words you say during your prayer. It's about the feeling behind those words. The words are merely a vehicle to convey your desires to your subconscious mind. The feeling is the engine that drives your manifestation forward. So, always focus on the feeling of having your desire fulfilled, and you'll see how quickly it begins to materialize. To make this practice even more effective, it's helpful to incorporate gratitude into the process. When you feel thankful for the abundance that is already yours, you amplify the energy of your manifestation. Gratitude shifts your vibration, aligning you even more strongly with your desires. It's a subtle but powerful way to reinforce the belief that you are already living the life you want. By consistently feeling grateful for the abundance in your life, you signal to the universe that you are open to receiving even more. When you feel as though you are already living in abundance, your thoughts and actions naturally reflect that belief. You begin to make decisions from a place of certainty and confidence. Opportunities will show up in ways you never expected, and you'll begin to attract the right people, ideas, and circumstances that align with your vision. The key is to maintain this feeling of abundance, even when things don't immediately appear to be changing. I encourage you to take this practice seriously. It only takes 10 seconds, but the impact it can have on your life is immeasurable. The more you practice, the stronger your connection to abundance will become, and the quicker you will start to see the physical manifestations of your desires. As you continue to pray in this way, recall that you are already living in the abundance you seek. The moment you realize this, the universe will respond in kind. Keep your thoughts clear, your feelings aligned, and trust that everything you've asked for is already on its way to you. Let me leave you with one final thought. The power to manifest wealth is not out there somewhere. It's within you. It's always been within you. And now, with this simple 10-second prayer, you can tap into that power at any moment. All it takes is belief, trust, and a willingness to allow the abundance that's already yours to flow freely into your life. So, are you ready to start manifesting millions? You already have everything you need to make it happen. Trust yourself, trust the process, and get ready for the abundance that is coming your way. If you're ready to manifest wealth, success, and the life you've always dreamed of, liking and subscribing to the channel is a great place to start.